Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI on May 22nd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $12.88. And my main assumption was that we were forming the ABC correction, that is pretty much flat correction, because we've completed all 5 waves to this top. We had a double top pattern, and because of this flat correction, we shouldn't see the deepest C wave. And guys, take a look right here. We were somewhere at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset is in some kind of flat correction on a smaller scale. And this means, guys, the technical analysis works perfectly well. I didn't expect that it should break the bottom of the A wave, and we are still pretty much at the same level. I will show you more details about the most important and the most crucial levels for SOFI stock within just several minutes. But for now, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And for now, guys, I have 3 tiers. It is Discord access tier, Safe Haven, and Gold tier. And if you want to just be in line with all the latest news and with the most recent actions and potential upcoming actions of the US stock market, it is more than enough to join just Discord access. If you want me to cover your personal position, and if you want me to create a plan for you to invest in stock market, Safe Haven is for you. The only difference in between these 2 tiers is that on Safe Haven tier you will have a monthly 30-minute Zoom call session with me. And the Gold tier is for people who want to take the most from my experience and from my knowledge. And in this tier you will have a 30 minutes weekly Zoom call with me, where I will teach you how to beat the market. On top of that, guys, for the members of this tier, I will give my personal signals where to enter and where to leave the position. I will do it when market conditions are more predictable for swing positions. So, and let me give you a sneak peek on the Discord group. You can see that I publish a lot of updates on the market, and as you can see, I even make predictions of its upcoming movements. And if you follow my channel for quite some time, you know that I have a very high level of experience in this type of trades. And guys, in this Discord group, I explain a lot to my patrons, and I do a lot of technical analysis on demand on different assets. Here is the general sentiment of the market on April the 10th. Here is INTC, ISRG, here is JD, RKLB, MSTR, and other ticker symbols. You can see that I do it pretty much 2 or 3 times a week. And all of my community members know how to benefit out of these market conditions.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's take a look at the bigger picture. Let's switch to 4 hours time frame and turn off all the tools. As I mentioned in the majority of my previous videos that I made since April, since the beginning of April, this might be the bottom of the entire retracement that this asset made from this top. And we have a quite substantial decline in price by about 54%. And for now, this quite substantial movement to the upside that is confirmed by the volume, quite substantial bullish volume, is nothing else but a very first potential movement, very first wave to the upside of the 5th wave on a bigger scale. And all the details I will show you within just several minutes, but for now, let's take a look at some fundamentals. First of all, guys, I want to pay attention to the so-called smart money investors list. And first of all, I want to show you that one of the Vanguard departments bought a quite substantial amount of SOFI shares. They added to their previous long position more than 60%, and for now they hold almost $14 million in value in SOFI. On top of that, take a look right here. Fidelity Enhanced Mid Cap ETF also added about 100% to their current position, and they own more than $11 million of SOFI stock. And guys, this means SOFI might be quite lucrative in the medium and long-term perspective, because according to this chart, let me show you this again, we have more and more institutional investors who want to hold SOFI stock in their investment portfolios. On top of that, let me show you this article that was published on Forbes just yesterday, and it's titled "What's Happening with SOFI Stock?" And we know that SOFI has a substantial increase in its price since the early 2023, and the reasons why this happened are following. One, a 100% rise in the company's PS ratio to 5.1 now, compared to 2.6 in 2022. Second, a 78% increase in the company's revenue, rising from $1.6 billion to $2.8 billion, partially offset by a 22% increase in total shares outstanding, reaching 1.1 billion. And guys, on top of these indicators, fundamental indicators, I want to remind you that Anthony Notta, the CEO of this company, bought a substantial amount of SOFI stocks when the stock was at low levels, below $8 mark, and he still holds his position. And the reason why the CEO might buy his own stock, the stock of his own company, is that he believes that this company will grow tremendously. On top of that, I want to show you the conclusion of this article. So, but what next? Is SOFI stock a buy at $13? And we have basically three major bullet points. And its current price of $13, SOFI stock is trading at a price-to-sales ratio of 5.3x, which is closely aligned with its 4-year average of 5.5. However, there are strong indicators suggesting that the valuation multiple could see further expansion. Firstly, the company's strategic shift towards higher margin revenue avenues through its technology platform Galileo and Technisys and financial services segments is attracting investors' interest. Secondly, SOFI's persistent member growth and successful cross-selling are proving to be essential. Lastly, and most importantly, SOFI's trajectory toward consistent profitability could serve as a significant catalyst. And these factors strongly favor SOFI investors should also weigh the risks involved. SOFI's stock previously declined over 80% during significant market downturn, highlighting its vulnerability to macroeconomic challenges. And guys, if you want to avoid this type of dips on the stocks, you have to use technical analysis. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, you know that I have more than 13 years of experience in trading. And if you watch my videos for quite some time, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know that my win rate is very high. It is much higher than average win rate on the market, and it is more than 65, even 70% on certain assets. And that is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, and what should we expect next from the price? I have to admit that we have crucial points. If my assumption is correct, and this is the C wave, and we are forming this wave, we have to have 5 waves in its structure, and we have 1, 2, 3. This is retracement into the 4th wave, and we have to see one more leg to the downside to complete the C wave. And if so, guys, I still think that it shouldn't break the bottom of the A wave, because in this case, well, the likelihood of the breakout below A wave is not the highest. That is why, guys, I think we have to see a tiny retracement that should form on a smaller scale its 5th wave, and then we might have a trend reversal. But the trend reversal will be confirmed when it breaks its previous swing highs. And in general, guys, the price target is still the same as long as this pivot holds, as long as the bottom of its retracement is at $8.5 mark. Our main price target, let me show you right here, if I zoom out to a daily time frame, our main price target is still the same. The first price target is definitely should be the breakout above its swing high, and it is a confluence with 0.786 fib extension level. If I pull a fib extension 2 from this swing low to this swing high and to the bottom of the retracement. And the most probable price target for the third wave is right here. It is 1.618 extension level at the price point of $28.65. And guys, this price target might be a price target for the next 12 to 18 months, and it is a viable price target as long as this pivot holds. You have to keep this in mind. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag,